soon now.
Why are you doing this?
Look, he's not going to make it all the way up here. And all the doors are locked. What could he possibly do? He could take his hook and smash open one of the windows. I really want to...
Oh my god, it's him! Hey!
One day, a woman was on her way home from the market when she took a shortcut through a cemetery. She passed a grave that had a big bone sticking out of it.
This will make a very good soup bone. It's chilly outside. A perfect day to make a pot of soup. I must be hearing things. My mind is playing tricks on me.